In today's video, we are going to talk about scrap waste like metal waste, e-waste, plastic waste or cotton waste. We learn in detail in this video about which documents are required for movement of these kind of material. Whether you're a dealer, buyer or a transporter or even a small recycler, this video is going to be important to you. So stay with us till the end. Let us discuss about what your truck will face on the road if you miss a single document. No matter if you're running a small scrap shop or working at a large scale, even a single document is required for you. Without these, your trucks can be stopped on roads at times and maybe have to pay a hefty amount of fine. First thing you need is tax invoice with GST. A bill issued by the seller with GST number. This is compulsory for sending goods across states. E-way bill. If the value of the goods is above 50,000 and you are transporting beyond 10 kilometers, you must generate an e-way bill. Third is lorry receipt. Proof from the transporter that the vehicle is loaded with material and it has been dispatched towards the destination. Fourth is vehicle documents, which are basics like truck's original papers, RC and driver's valid license. PAN and GST copy. Both buyer and seller must have these for compliance proof. Now let's understand the document verification, HSN code, GST rates for different type of scrap waste. First is for metal scrap. Required documents are GST registration, factory license or pollution NOC, Udyam certificate if an SME, invoice with HSN code, e-way bill if material value is more than 50,000, dealer's TIN or CIN number, scrap dealer's license. HSN codes applied for these are iron and steel 7204, copper 7404, aluminium 7602. The GST rate applicable is 18%. Second, for e-waste, required documents are GST of generator or receiver, EPR certificate, CPCB or SPCB from the dismantler, recycle authorization, manifest documentation, transporter's RC and pollution certificate. The HSN code is 85 and GST rate is 5%. Third is cloth and cotton waste. Required document are GST registration, invoice with HSN code, transport documents or e-way bill, MSME certificate is optional, pollution control NOC if processing unit. The HSN code is 5602, GST rate is 5% applicable for this. Fourth is plastic waste. Required documents are GST certificate, pollution NOC, PCB registration if recycler, EPR obligation if from brand side, invoice with classification mentioned, and e-way bill. The HSN code is 3915. GST rate applicable is 18%. Safety rules, especially for e-waste and scrap material. Always check the packaging of the scrap material so that it is covered tightly and properly. Nothing spills on the road and leads to incidents or accidents. Hazardous and dangerous scrap should be carried in covered or container truck. Because cotton and plastic waste traveled in open containers are not legal. Vehicle carrying scraps like plastic and e-waste must have a sticker in English or any local language so that people use the road know that these products are traveled in this truck. Driver handling scrap must wear a PPE mask and should be trained for emergency handling. Waste must only travel in authorized state pollution control board routes. If you take wrong routes, you may be fined heavily. In states like Kerala, night movement of scrap or mixed scrap is restricted. So if you want to travel, you have to take the local authorities' permission. Before planning for movements, take local authorities' permission. The important rule for every truck is never overload your truck, especially if it is scrap. If you are moving e-waste, plastic waste, metal waste or cotton waste and you don't have documentations, your truck may be stopped, fined and also seized. So handle with care and also check if you have all these documentation, travel properly. Always ensure you have proper GST, e-way bill, pollution NOCs and other legal things which are required for movement of scrap. And if you're looking to book truck for your shipment, you can always check FR rate. Details are given in the description.